Hello everyone, my name is Dave and I welcome you all in the another episode of Campus Connection where we talk about the workings of different college societies, and today we have Shugun with us, who is the CR head at Mercadio. So for the record, please introduce yourself.
Hi everybody, myself Sugun. I am a BMS second year student at College of Vocational Studies and I am the Corporate Relations Head of Mercadio, the Marketing Society.
Okay Shugun, for the first question, what inspired you to join Mercadio?
When I joined the college, मेरे को ऐसे कोई asset society के बारे में पता नहीं था, but everybody was like that if you want your college life, join societies because that is what actually makes your college life memorable. So I thought of joining so many societies, but I had some common friends and I met some seniors, and marketing society of Mercadio, everybody was like, if you want to make connections and learn things, Mercadio was the perfect place for you, and that's why I applied for Mercadio. I did not had as such that I want to learn marketing or anything like that, but I was just like that, okay, I need to build relationships and I want to learn something also, and people told me that Mercadio is a very good place for that. That's why I joined.
Okay, so what is the role of a particular CR member in any society?
If you talk about corporate relations as a department, it's something that every society needs because you have your events and events cannot happen without money. That is a very obvious thing. And college supports you, but to some extent, and if you want to have a good event, you need sponsors for that, you need amount and money for that, and that money, bringing that money into the society is the job of corporate relations department, where you pitch different businesses to get that money and to provide them something in return.
Okay, so let's take a hypothetical situation here. What if you became the council member head, and what changes you will bring in your particular society? And why?
At this point, I'm in my second year. If in the third year I go for the council position, lately I've realized one thing, that as soon as अगला batch आता है, उन लोगों को the excitement decreases. Like हम लोग, our batch was very excited about societies and we used to work a lot and have fun a lot at the same time. But like I am the head now, so I see the members in my department, they are not as much excited to work as we were, and we were genuinely like, we need to go, we need to work, okay we have our classes, but हमारा काम और हमें काम को करने में मज़ा आता था. But at this point I feel like जैसे जैसे नए बच्चे आते जा रहे हैं, उनकी एक्साइटमेंट कम ही होती जा रही है टू वर्क, एंड देयर लाइक कि ठीक है बस सोसाइटी जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ इट ज्वाइन करनी है. हम थे कि हम इतनी सारी सोसाइटीज ज्वाइन करते थे, हमें था कि कम करनी पड़ेगी. वो कहते हैं कि हाँ एक कर ली, एक इनफ है, उसमें भी इतना काम करने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो एज अ काउंसिल मेंबर आई वुड वांट टू चेंज दैट स्पेसिफिक थिंग कि वो आई वुड वांट टू ब्रिंग द एक्साइटमेंट बैक इनटू द स्टूडेंट्स, दैट व्हाट सोसाइटी इज एक्चुअली meant. It's not just work, it's learning, fun, everything.
So for the last question, what kind of advice you will give to a first year who is very introvert?
A first year who is very introvert, I was that person to be very honest, but now I feel like I am definitely not that person anymore. When I came to this college, मेरे दोस्त नहीं थे. I was like, ऐसे मैं बस घूमती रहती थी कॉलेज में कि ठीक है क्लास में 2-4 बच्चे दोस्त बना लिए, एवरीथिंग लाइक दैट, बट ऑनेस्टली विदाउट एनी कुछ कि मैंने सोसाइटीज़ में जाके ही दोस्त बनाए, एंड वो कनेक्शंस आपके वैसे ही बनते हैं. तो सोसाइटी में जाके भी इफ़ यू डोंट वर्क, आपके कनेक्शंस नहीं बनेंगे, और वो काम के थ्रू ही आपकी दोस्ती के कनेक्शंस बन जाएंगे, एंड दे आर गोइंग टू स्टे फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. इवन इफ यू डोंट थिंक सो, दे आर गोइंग टू स्टे, एंड यू विल बी लाइक कॉलेज में हर 5 मिनट में आपको कोई ना कोई तो मिल ही जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ द सोसाइटी कनेक्शन. सो इट्स समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्पेशली फॉर द इंट्रोवर्ट्स टू जॉइन सोसाइटीज़, टू मेक देयर कनेक्शंस. ज़रूरी नहीं आप बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स बन जाओ हर किसी के साथ, बट जस्ट बातचीत होना आपको बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट ग्रेजुअली makes you a better person in college.
Okay, thank you so much guys. That's it. Like,
Everyone is not Pranav.